Today we're memorizing John 15:13. Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus. This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below. John 15:13. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. John 15:13. This is friend in ASL, American Sign Language. You take your fingers and you hook them one way and then you hook them the other. John 15:13. Let's say that again. John 15:13. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. John 15:13. We make a cross like this because that's what Jesus did for us. He showed the greatest love ever by dying on the cross to take our punishment for sin. He didn't have to pay for his own sins. He didn't have any. Instead, he took our punishment for sin when he died on that cross, and he didn't stay dead. He came back to life again 3 days later. It was God's way of saying, yes, I accept that payment for sin. And anyone who trusts and believes in Jesus as their Lord and Savior will be saved and get to live with God forever, both right now and for eternity. Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.